Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to replace hard drives on your Lenovo ThinkPad, Lenovo IdeaPad. In our case we have the Lenovo IdeaPad, as you can see. What you're going to do, you're going to close our computer like this. Then we shall flip it. Then I want you to make sure you unscrew all the screws that you see. Plus you have to remove the plastic, so that here we have screws also. Then for the battery you have to go ahead and open. Then you hear the click, then remove the battery gently, then you put it aside. Plus here you have 3 screws that you can unscrew. Then I'll use my fingernails. For my case I have unscrewed everything to fasten this video so that we don't delay. So I'll put a cover aside, and here we have the hard disk, we have the memory, have everything in the motherboard. So what I want you to do, I want you to slide gently, and that removes the hard drive. So in your case this laptop had Toshiba. I don't know where this is manufactured from. It shows it is Toshiba, then shows made in Philippines somewhere. Where made in Philippines. So this was messed up. So this is just very slow. Can't help us in this case. So I'm going to upgrade my computer by adding this to our PC, and this is a 500 GB. So I would recommend 1 TB. In case you have small budget for an upgrade, you can go ahead and put 500 GB. And after, you have to connect everything gently, don't have to use force. Then after, you're going to go ahead and put back in our case, the battery. So the battery is now fixed in. We have to go ahead and power on the laptop to see if the hard disk is working. Now our computer is rebooting. To just take a few seconds because our hard disk is now very powerful and very new, and this powers on the laptop. Please, thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, comment for more help, and also in case you have any issues with your laptop, please contact me on my channel in any of my videos, and click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload new videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.